Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 experts' build case plans reaffirm the striking looks of the approaching flagships. Google may regardless be a very long time from conveying the Pixel 6 course of action. Anyway, case plans for the two models have adequately spilled. The cases add a sensible piece of mass to the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Master 2. Apparent case plans in the Pixel 6 course of action have turned up on /breaks. The photos were posted on the site by LeakSpinner, a record with a representing posting careful openings. Case renders don't react to all requests concerning an approaching mobile phone. Anyway, they will overall contain critical information about a device. By virtue of the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Professional, the renders mirror those appropriated by Jon Prosser and OnLeaks. In spite of the way that they don't appear, apparently, to be a quick copy, they do feature the orange and white concealing arrangement presented previously. Typically, case creators leave an opening for a wireless camera dwelling. Anyway, this isn't the circumstance here. In light of everything, this unknown case maker has given the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Masters cameras with more confirmation because of a window that contacts the central focuses and related sensors. Indeed, this decision makes the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Ace bulkier than they ought to be, whether or not it is just around their cameras. In any case, the window should offer more unmistakable protection than a lip that circumvents the camera dwelling. Google is depended upon to dispatch the Pixel 6 game plan in the reap time, nearby the appearance of Android 12.